That's a smell I'm not, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that on my face. I don't know if I'm gonna like that on my face. I touched it on my nose. Now it's on there forever. But hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 1 of January 2020. I was about to say 2019. Box week. Oh my gosh, it's 2020! That was awkward. Well, it's okay. I guess we're starting off the year the right way. First of all, if you're like brand new to my YouTube channel and you're thinking like, it's a new year, I'm looking for a new channel to subscribe to, this one might not be it for you, but at the same time, it might be. So if at any point in this video you're like, I want to see that all of the time, click the red subscribe button, join our little family. I feel awkward, so I got a bunch of, okay, this is a tangent, first tangent of 2020. I got some new sweaters and stuff, and I feel like this sweater is filming weird. Like it just looks weird. I guess I can make it off the shoulder, but then you see my bra straps. Okay, hold on. Let me just pull it together. So if you're like, what's Box Week? Basically, we've been doing this for a couple years now. I don't even know if I'm gonna explain what Box Week is anymore, because I feel like mainly the people watching this are people who already know what Box Week is, but I'll tell you one more time. It is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. It's 1 week we spend 7 days together. There's a new video every day for 7 days starting today, and today we're gonna be opening up my Ipsy subscription box. Ipsy, this is the Glam Bake Plus. So this box costs about $25. If you're at any point you watch this video and you're like, I want that box for myself, I have a referral code down below in the description box. You can click on it, you can sign up. Also, we're gonna be putting items into our stockpile giveaway, which I'm guessing is probably gonna go away, be given away this month. I did actually add some items after we finished Box Week last month, because some of the stuff that I was planning on giving away, I ended up not giving away. So this box is full of amazing goodies, so I'm excited to see what we add to it this month. And I still have not located John Wayne, our pocket knife. He's been missing for over a month now. I don't know what happened to him. So I have to use a kitchen knife to open up the boxes this week. Not happy about it. I'm sure you're not happy about it, but we're just gonna make amends with it and hope that John Wayne, we're still looking for him. We're still hoping he shows back up, but at this time, we don't know where he is. All right, so I am going to open up the box, and it says discover yourself on the top here. And on the top it says clean slate. So obviously fresh start, beginning of the new year, 2020, new decade, that whole thing. On the top, ooh, we have Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even know. I am like a serum hoarder, and the one I've been using is running low. And I've been like keeping serums because I don't know. It's like the problem is like you try it in the video and then you don't really know if you're actually gonna like it and you're gonna use it or not. So I'm excited to get a new serum to try. Let's see. Ooh, this looks real fancy. This looks real fancy. Let's just see what's going on. Oh, hold on. I like the way that you push it. It doesn't really have much of a smell. Oh, it's thick. Whoa. This is really thick. And it has a scent to it. I touched it on my nose. Now it's on there forever. But it's like, it's really bizarre because it like absorbs into my hand like water, but it has like a thick feeling when you put it on. I wonder how that's gonna be hydration wise. I mean, I need it because this is Wisconsin and it's real cold outside and the weather is just not happy. Weather does not have it together. So I'm excited to try that out. Next thing that we have is, oh, 2 of these Space Case Cosmetics. What are these? What are these? Space Case Cosmetics. Create your own reality. Let's see here. Scene from Space 1C, Scene from Space 1B. I should just open the boxes. I don't know why I'm like sitting here reading it like, oh, maybe this will tell me what it is. I feel like it's probably eyeshadows. That's my feeling, is that this is like some kind of cute eyeshadows, and I'm wrecking the boxes, so that's good. So I'm damaging the boxes that it came in. And oh my goodness, this is like really sparkly. I wonder if maybe these are highlighters. Hold on. I'm gonna look at the card. I'm gonna do better this year about looking at the cards and seeing what's going on. All right, this one, these look like highlighters. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep them by the right boxes. Look at that. They look like little highlighters. Space Case. All right, hold on. Let's see what that is. It says Space Case Cosmetics Scene from Space Highlighter Duo in 1C and 1B. Glow to new heights with this duo of shimmery highlighters from cream to powder textures, buttery, soft, and blendable. Blends like a breeze with your fingers or a makeup brush. Plus, it's totally cruelty-free and vegan, so you can get your glow on in a good conscience. Don't just stop at your cheekbones, tap highlighter on your brow bones, bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, gorgeous from Lit Within Glow. Okay, so they sent me 2 different colors. So this color looks like it's almost too light for me. That's 1C. So I'm gonna put this one in the stockpile giveaway, and then I'll try out the 1B so we can see just kind of how it applies texture-wise, etc. So let me pop this open here and let's, oh my gosh, that's smooth. Oh my God. Oh my, unexpected. Unexpected texture in a really wonderful way. Oh my God, it applies well. Wow, look at that. You guys, look, we don't even know. We're just gonna get it up on the shoulders. There are the shoulder blades, collarbones. What are these? These aren't shoulder blades. These are collarbones. Drew knows things, not these things. We're putting it on. One thing I will say though that feels weird is it feels like it's getting like smashed in, like liquidy. I don't like that. But, so we'll see how it looks after like a day. But we're gonna put its little cute little sister into the stockpile giveaway. All right, the next item that we have in here is, what is this? Iamasqua liquid eyeliner in black. I'm gonna put this in a stockpile giveaway. So I have a secret. I kind of stopped using eyeliner for the most part. I mostly just do a faux eyeliner with my little powder brush. I've been doing that for a while. I don't know if it's lazy, I don't know if it's genius, but I really don't use actual eyeliner much anymore. So I'm gonna put this in the stockpile giveaway because I don't think I've given away an eyeliner in a really, really long time. Next item that we have is Nature's Cartel lipstick in the shade 90s Nostalgia. So let's see what this looks like. What's the color? I've actually been getting I got a lot of lip gloss products over the holidays. You guys don't even know. Do you want me, like, okay, I ask you this all the time. A lot of times you guys say yes, but do you want me to do a video on some of the stuff I got for Christmas that I really liked? And I keep asking videos you want me to do and then I'm not doing them. I know. So I'm already like working on myself and why I'm asking about videos and then don't actually follow through on them. I need to stop using the fact that I'm busy excuse and just like get it done. But I got a lot of like new makeup, hair products and stuff like that that I'm like really crazy about. But you guys also know I don't like making videos where I'm like, oh, look at all the stuff I have, because I feel like it's really braggy and I don't like that. So anyways, Nature's Cartel 90s Nostalgia. Oh my God. This color's perfect. Oh, this color's perfection. It's like a brownie, like, oh my gosh. And it's like really light, like buildable. Guys, it's so pretty. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, I needed this color. This is like exactly what I needed in my life. I am so very excited about that one. All right. And then they sent us a little cute bag. I like the bag. It's got a marble tone. It's pretty. I think it's pretty. I like it. And then finally we have Hanalei lip treatment. Oh, a lip treatment. Let's see what's going on there. This is a lip treatment and I'm going to read about it first because we talked about me reading about stuff, so I know it's actually supposed to go on here. Aloha Healthy Lips, formulated with a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals. This lush lip treatment instantly revives chapped lips. One swipe, you'll be hooked. Oh, so it's a treatment to put on your lips like at night. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna put a little bit on like my finger right now to see like what it looks like. That's the applicator to see like what it actually comes out looking like. It's really like thick. It doesn't want to come out. It does not want to. Oh my gosh, it won't come out. That's awkward. I'm afraid it's gonna like shoot out like crazy. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's like thick like Vaseline almost. Wow. Ooh, that feels good. It looks glossy too. Like it looks pretty and glossy. I like these lip treatments sometimes. I'll tell you what, I just put these on and go about my day and act like I'm wearing some fancy lip gloss and it's a lip treatment because it's too cold outside to be playing. So, oh, it has a smell though. Oh, that's a smell I'm not, I don't know if I'm gonna like that on my face. I don't know if I'm gonna like that on my face. Ooh, we'll see. It smells like Vaseline, a little bit Vicks Vapor Rubby. I don't know. So to recap, we have Hanalei lip treatment clear with a strong smell that I was not expecting that will be on my face, and I'll see how I like it. We got the Juice Beauty serum, which I don't actually know where that is. I just see the box. Oh, here it is, which I told you felt really kind of like thick when it went on, but then it like turn to like a watery texture. We got these Space Case highlighters, the gold one, which I tried on my hand there, and then the cute little lighter sister, which is going into the stockpile giveaway. We got this really cute marbleized bag. I think I'm actually going to keep this and try using it and see how I like it. If otherwise I can't find use for it, I'll probably end up putting it in the stockpile giveaway. And then what else did we get? I'm really scattered. Oh, we got the eyeliner from Aqua. That's going into there as well. And then we got the really cute 90s Nostalgia Nature's Cartel lipstick. So overall, I like the box. I think it's good. I mean, I don't think I'm like freaking out about it, but I like it. I feel like it's a solid box. I have no complaints, but it's not anything where I'm like, girl, I got the most insane box of my life to start off the new year. But I like it. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because you're literally the best crew as anybody, and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Box Week. I talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. And for myself, I'm going to be doing this Medius mask here, which is a moisture mask. It's a 2-step, so there's a little thing in here that I'm going to wipe my face with and then put the